Data Science Online Training. Introduction to Data Science. What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It involves a combination of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles to discover hidden patterns from raw data. Key elements of data science. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Here are the key elements of data science. Data collection. Sources, gathering data from various sources such as databases, APIs, web scraping, surveys, sensors, and other data-generating systems. Data types, handling different types of data including numerical, categorical, textual, and image data. Data cleaning and preparation. Data wrangling, cleaning and transforming raw data into a usable format by handling missing values, outliers, and duplicates. Normalization and scaling, adjusting the range of data values for better model performance. Feature engineering, creating new features or modifying existing ones to improve model accuracy. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Visualization, using graphs, plots, and charts to understand data distributions, patterns, and relationships. Statistical analysis, applying descriptive statistics to summarize data and identify trends. Model building and evaluation. Algorithm selection, choosing the appropriate machine learning algorithms based on the problem type, example, regression, classification, clustering. Training models, fitting models to the data using training datasets. Evaluation metrics, assessing model performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROCAUC. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Supervised learning, building models that make predictions based on labeled data. Unsupervised learning, identifying patterns and structures in unlabeled data. Deep learning, utilizing neural networks with multiple layers for complex pattern recognition and predictive tasks. Data visualization and communication. Dashboards and reports, creating interactive dashboards and reports to present findings and insights. Storytelling, communicating data insights effectively to stakeholders using narratives supported by visualizations. Understanding different data types. 1. Primitive data types. These are the most basic data types provided by programming languages. Integer, int, represents whole numbers without a fractional component. Examples 1, 42, -7. Operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Float, floating point, represents real numbers with a fractional component. Examples 3.14, -0.001, 2.0. Operations, all arithmetic operations, including division which gives a floating point result. Double, similar to float but with double precision, meaning it can represent larger and more precise numbers. Examples 3.141592653589793, -1.23456789. Operations, same as float but with higher precision. Character, char, represents a single character. Examples: A. 1. Hush. Operations can be used in string manipulation, converted to from integer ASCII values. String represents a sequence of characters. Examples: hello, 1 2 3 4 5, A. Operations, concatenation, slicing, length calculation, case conversion. Boolean, bool, represents a binary value, true or false. Examples: true, false. Operations, logical operations, and, or, not. Data cleaning and preparation. 1. Understanding the data. Get a clear understanding of the data. This includes understanding the data structure, the types of variables, categorical, numerical, datetime, and the relationships between different variables. Metadata. Look at the data dictionary or metadata if available. This can provide insights into what each variable represents and its permissible values. 2. Data cleaning. Handling missing values. Identify missing data. Use methods like .isnl, .sum in pandas to identify missing values. Strategies to handle missing data. Remove missing data. Drop rows or columns with missing values using .dropna. Impute missing data. Replace missing values with a central tendency measure, mean, median, mode, or use more sophisticated methods like KNN imputation or regression models. Removing duplicates. Use .drop_duplicates to remove duplicate rows. Outlier detection and treatment. Identify outliers using statistical methods, example IQR, Z-score, or visualization, box plots. Decide on treatment, remove, cap, or transform outliers. Correcting inconsistencies. Standardize categorical data, example yes versus yes. Ensure consistency in datetime formats. Dealing with incorrect data. Identify and correct obvious errors, example negative values for age. Basics of exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, is a critical step in the data analysis process, providing a comprehensive understanding of the dataset before applying statistical techniques or machine learning algorithms. Here's a detailed overview of EDA basics. 1. Understanding the data. Data collection. Gather data from various sources such as databases, CSV files, APIs, etc. Data types. Identify the types of data, numerical, categorical, datetime, etc. 2. Data cleaning. Missing values. Detect and handle missing values using techniques like imputation or removal. Outliers. Identify and manage outliers which might skew the analysis. Data transformation. Normalize or standardize data to bring all features to a similar scale. 3. Data visualization. Univariate analysis. Examine each variable individually. Histograms. Show the distribution of numerical data. Box plots. Highlight the median, quartiles, and outliers. Bar charts. Display the frequency of categorical data. Bivariate analysis, explore the relationship between two variables. Scatter plots, show relationships between two numerical variables. Correlation matrix, displays correlation coefficients between pairs of numerical features. Pair plots, visualize relationships in a dataset through scatter plots for each pair of variables. Why is data science important? Informed decision making. Data-driven insights. By analyzing large volumes of data, organizations can derive insights that inform strategic decisions, optimize operations, and enhance customer experiences. Predictive analysis. Data science allows businesses to anticipate future trends and behaviors, enabling proactive strategies rather than reactive responses. Competitive advantage. Innovation. Companies that leverage data science can innovate faster by identifying new market opportunities, optimizing product development, and improving service offerings. Efficiency and cost reduction. Through process optimization and automation, data science helps organizations reduce costs and increase efficiency, giving them a competitive edge. Improved customer understanding. Personalization. By analyzing customer data, businesses can provide personalized experiences, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Customer insights. Data science helps in understanding customer preferences, behaviors, and pain points, allowing for more targeted marketing and product development. Enhanced decision-making in healthcare. Medical research. Data science plays a crucial role in medical research by helping in the discovery of new treatments and understanding disease patterns. Patient care. Through predictive analytics, healthcare providers can predict disease outbreaks, personalize patient care, and improve outcomes. Risk management. Fraud detection. Data science techniques are used to detect and prevent fraud by identifying unusual patterns and anomalies in transaction data. Risk assessment. Financial institutions use data science to assess and manage risks, ensuring better compliance and safeguarding against financial losses. Scientific research and discoveries. Accelerated research. Data science accelerates scientific research by processing and analyzing large datasets, which can lead to new discoveries and advancements in various fields such as astronomy, biology, and environmental science. How does data science differ from related fields? Data science is a multidisciplinary field that involves the use of scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. While it shares common elements with other related fields such as statistics, machine learning, and data engineering, there are distinct differences that set data science apart. Here's a detailed comparison. 1. Statistics. Focus. Statistics is primarily concerned with collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and organizing data. It deals with the theory and methods for summarizing data and drawing inferences from it. Key techniques: descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis. Applications: used in various fields including biology, economics, engineering, medicine, and social sciences to make decisions based on data. Difference: data science encompasses a broader scope, incorporating statistical methods within a larger framework that includes data processing, machine learning, and domain-specific applications. 2. Machine learning. Focus. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on building systems that can learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Key techniques: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, neural networks. Applications: speech recognition, image recognition, recommendation systems, predictive analytics. Difference: data science uses machine learning as a tool to analyze and interpret data, while machine learning emphasizes the development of algorithms that learn from data. Data science covers the entire data analysis pipeline, including data collection, cleaning, pre-processing, and visualization. 3. Data engineering. Focus. Data engineering involves designing, building, and maintaining the infrastructure and architecture for data collection, storage, and processing. Key techniques: ETL, extract, transform, load, processes, database management, data warehousing, big data technologies, example, Hadoop, Spark. Applications: creating data pipelines, managing databases, ensuring data quality and accessibility. Difference: data engineers focus on the technical aspects of data management, ensuring that data scientists have the clean and structured data they need for analysis. Data science, on the other hand, focuses on extracting insights from the data provided by data engineers. What are the key components of data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field that involves various components and processes to extract insights and knowledge from data. The key components of data science include data collection and acquisition, data sources, identifying and sourcing data from various channels such as databases, APIs, web scraping, and sensors. Data warehousing, storing large volumes of data in structured formats for easy access and management. Data cleaning and preparation. Data cleaning, removing inconsistencies, errors, and missing values from data to ensure accuracy and reliability. Data transformation, converting data into a suitable format or structure for analysis. Feature engineering, creating new features or variables that can improve the performance of machine learning models. Data exploration and visualization. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, analyzing data sets to summarize their main characteristics, often using visual methods. Data visualization, using charts, graphs, and other visual tools to represent data and uncover patterns or insights. Statistical analysis. Descriptive statistics, summarizing and describing the features of a data set. Inferential statistics, making predictions or inferences about a population based on a sample of data. Machine learning and modeling. Supervised learning, building models based on labeled data to predict outcomes. Unsupervised learning, finding hidden patterns or intrinsic structures in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, developing models that learn to make decisions through trial and error. How do we collect data for analysis? Define objectives and scope. Clearly outline what you aim to achieve with the data analysis. This defines the types of data needed and guides the entire process. Identify data sources, determine where the data resides. Sources can include databases, APIs, spreadsheets, IoT devices, surveys, social media, etc. Ensure the sources provide the necessary granularity and coverage for your analysis. Data collection methods. Automated collection. Use software tools or scripts to gather data automatically from digital sources like databases, APIs, or web scraping. Manual entry. For data that cannot be automated, such as physical records or surveys, ensure standardized methods to minimize errors. Sensor data. If dealing with IoT devices or sensors, set up systems to collect data in real time or at scheduled intervals. Ensure data quality. Accuracy. Verify that data is correct and matches its source. Use validation checks and cross-referencing where possible. Completeness. Ensure all required data points are collected. Address missing or incomplete data using techniques like imputation or revisiting data sources. Consistency. Ensure uniformity in how data is recorded and formatted across sources. Relevance. Collect data that directly relates to the analysis objectives. Avoid irrelevant or redundant data. Data storage and management. Establish a secure and organized system to store collected data. Consider data privacy regulations and ensure compliance. Data processing and integration. Prepare collected data for analysis by cleaning, transforming, and integrating it as needed. This might involve removing duplicates, handling outliers, normalizing data formats, etc. Documentation. Maintain documentation about data collection processes, including sources, methods, and any transformations applied. This helps ensure reproducibility and transparency. Data security. Implement measures to protect collected data from unauthorized access, loss, or corruption. Use encryption, access controls, and regular backups as necessary. Review and validate. Before analysis, review the collected data to ensure it meets quality standards and is suitable for the intended analysis. Ethical considerations. Consider ethical implications of data collection, especially concerning privacy, consent, and potential biases. What are the common data types used in data science? Numeric types. Integer, int whole numbers without any decimal points, example 1, 100, -5. Float, float numbers that have decimal points or use scientific notation, example 3.14, 2.718, 1.0e3. Text types. String, str sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes, example hello, world. Boolean type. Boolean, bool represents truth values, either true or false. Date and time types. Date represents a date, year, month, day, example 18th June 2024. Time represents a time of day, hour, minute, second, microsecond. Daytime represents both date and time together, example 18th June 2024 15 hours 30 minutes. Categorical types. Categorical represents categorical variables with a fixed number of possible values, example male, female, red, blue. Ordinal types. Ordinal represents variables with ordered categories, example low, medium, high. Complex types. Complex represents numbers with a real and imaginary part, example 3 plus 4j. Binary types. Bytes represents binary data, example raw byte values. Specialized types. UUID, universally unique identifier, example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 B 1 2 D 3 4 5 6 4 2 6 6 1 4 1 7 4 0 0 0. None type represents the absence of a value, often denoted as none. How do we use statistical methods in data science? Statistical methods play a fundamental role in data science by providing the tools to analyze data, draw meaningful conclusions, and make predictions. Here's how statistical methods are typically used in data science. Descriptive statistics. These methods are used to summarize and describe the main features of a dataset. Examples include measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, and measures of dispersion, variance, standard deviation. Inferential statistics. This branch of statistics involves using a sample of data to make inferences or predictions about a larger population. Techniques like hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and regression analysis fall under inferential statistics. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Before applying more complex models, data scientists often use EDA techniques to understand the data. This includes visual methods, plots like histograms, box plots, scatter plots, and numerical summaries, correlation matrices, summary statistics. Statistical modeling. Data scientists use statistical models to uncover relationships between variables and make predictions. Common models include linear regression, logistic regression, time series analysis, and more advanced techniques like decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. Data sampling. Statistical sampling methods are used to select a representative subset of data from a larger population. This is crucial for reducing computational load, testing hypotheses, and ensuring that insights drawn from the sample generalize well to the entire population. Experimental design. In cases where experiments can be conducted, such as in A/B testing for marketing campaigns, statistical methods help design experiments, analyze results, and draw conclusions about the effectiveness of different strategies. Validation and verification. Statistical techniques are used to validate models and verify assumptions. Cross-validation, bootstrapping, and goodness of fit tests are examples of methods used to assess model performance and reliability. Predictive analytics. Statistical methods form the basis for predictive modeling, where historical data is used to forecast future trends or outcomes. Techniques such as time series analysis, regression analysis, and machine learning algorithms rely heavily on statistical principles. What are machine learning algorithms? Here are some key characteristics of machine learning algorithms. Learning from data. Machine learning algorithms learn patterns and relationships from large amounts of data. The more data they have, typically the better they can learn and generalize. Generalization. The goal of machine learning is to generalize from the training data to unseen data, meaning they should perform well on new, previously unseen examples. Types of learning. There are several types of machine learning algorithms. Supervised learning. Algorithms learn from labeled data, where each example is associated with a target label. Example classification, regression. Unsupervised learning. Algorithms learn from unlabeled data to discover hidden patterns or intrinsic structures. Example clustering, dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning. Algorithms learn to make sequences of decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in terms of rewards or penalties. Algorithm diversity. There is a wide variety of machine learning algorithms, each suitable for different types of tasks and data. Linear regression, logistic regression, for regression and classification tasks. Decision trees, random forests, for classification and regression, often used when the relationship between features and target variables is nonlinear. Support vector machines, SVM, for classification and regression, particularly effective in high-dimensional spaces. Neural networks, deep learning algorithms inspired by the structure and function of the brain, capable of learning complex patterns. Clustering algorithms, example k-means, hierarchical clustering for grouping similar data points together. Dimensionality reduction algorithms, example PCA, TSNE, for reducing the number of random variables under consideration. Algorithm selection. Choosing the right algorithm depends on factors such as the nature of the data, the task, classification, regression, clustering, the amount of data available, computational resources, and the desired level of interpretability. Iterative improvement. Machine learning algorithms often involve an iterative process of training on data, evaluating performance, adjusting parameters, and retraining to improve accuracy or other performance metrics. What is the role of data visualization? Understanding trends and patterns, visual representations like charts, graphs, and maps make it easier to identify trends and patterns in data that might be difficult to discern in raw text or numerical formats. Data exploration. Visualizations facilitate exploration of data by revealing outliers and anomalies, and by providing a comprehensive overview that allows analysts to dig deeper into specific areas. Communication. Visualizations make it easier to communicate findings and insights to stakeholders who may not be familiar with the data. They help in presenting complex information in a clear and concise manner. Decision-making. Visualizations enable decision-makers to grasp large amounts of information quickly, helping them make data-driven decisions more efficiently. Identifying relationships. By visualizing data, relationships between variables can be revealed, such as correlations, clusters, and hierarchies. Monitoring performance. Dashboards and real-time visualizations allow for the monitoring of key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics, facilitating timely responses to changes or issues. Storytelling. Visualizations can be used to tell a story with data, guiding the audience through a narrative that highlights the insights and implications derived from the data. Spotting errors. Visualizations can help in detecting errors in data, such as inconsistencies or missing values, by making patterns or discrepancies more noticeable. Explaining complex relationships. Complex systems or processes can be simplified and explained through visualizations, making it easier for audiences to understand cause and effect relationships. What are the future trends in data science? Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are central to data science, and their applications are expanding into areas like autonomous systems, personalized medicine, and predictive analytics. Automation and augmentation. There's a growing focus on automating repetitive tasks in data science workflows using AI-driven tools, as well as augmenting human decision-making with AI insights. Ethics and responsible AI. As AI impacts society more deeply, there's increasing attention on ethical considerations, fairness, accountability, and transparency in data-driven decision-making. Edge computing, processing data closer to where it's generated, at the edge of the network, is becoming more crucial for real-time analytics, IoT applications, and reducing latency. Big data and streaming analytics. With the exponential growth of data, there's a need for scalable solutions for processing and analyzing large volumes of data in real time. Natural language processing, NLP techniques are advancing rapidly, enabling applications like sentiment analysis, language translation, and chatbots. Blockchain for data security. Blockchain technology is being explored for enhancing data security, integrity, and transparency in data transactions. DataOps and MLOps. Practices like DataOps, agile methodologies for data analytics, and MLOps, DevOps for machine learning, are gaining traction to improve collaboration, automation, and deployment of data science models. Quantum computing. While still in early stages, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize data science by solving complex optimization and simulation problems much faster than classical computers. Personalization and recommendation systems. As businesses strive to provide personalized experiences, there's a growing demand for sophisticated recommendation systems powered by data science. Visualization and interpretability. With complex models like deep learning, there's an increasing focus on developing techniques to interpret and visualize the results in a meaningful way. Interdisciplinary skills. Data scientists are increasingly required to have interdisciplinary skills, including domain knowledge, communication skills, and a solid understanding of business context. Why choose ProExcellency for data science online training? Choosing ProExcellency for data science online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely boasts experienced trainers who are knowledgeable in the field of data science. They can provide insights and practical examples based on real-world scenarios, enhancing your learning experience. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs likely cover a wide range of topics in data science, from foundational concepts to advanced techniques. This ensures you get a holistic understanding of the subject matter. Hands-on projects. Practical experience is crucial in data science. ProExcellency may offer hands-on projects or case studies that allow you to apply your learning in real time, preparing you for industry challenges. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency means you can learn at your own pace and from anywhere in the world. They may offer flexible schedules and recorded sessions for convenient learning. Certification. Upon completion of their training program, you may receive a certification. This can add value to your resume and demonstrate your proficiency in data science to potential employers. Support and community. They might provide support through forums, discussion boards, or dedicated mentors, fostering a supportive learning environment. Networking opportunities with other learners could also be beneficial. Feedback and assessment. Constructive feedback on your assignments and projects can help you improve continuously. ProExcellency may have mechanisms in place to assess your progress and tailor their support accordingly. Thank you.